Hello everyone, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Today I'm gonna showing three websites which help to improve your English. Actually, it's a beginner. It's helped a beginner. So if you are a beginner, you just watch my video. It's not a lengthy video. It's just like a shorts video. So first of all, shortly I introduce these three websites. First, websites help your listening, your continue your shadowing methods and your fluency improvements. And second website is important because these websites help to learn new thing, improve your question answering ability. That's help. As a beginner, I use not every day, but I'm using these three websites. And last website is a website everyone knows. So let's get started. My first websites. So the first website, listen a minute. Just go your phone Chrome browser and search listen a minute and click first website. And this is the picture in this website, and every word, every vocabulary there's here A to Z. You just choose one vocabulary, or for example bad habits. So when you click, you just click voice and listen 10 seconds just.
Listenaminute.com. Bad habits. What are your bad habits? I think everyone has bad habits. Not everyone agrees on what bad habits are.
To be honest, you just repeat this and pause it and again repeat. It's improve your sentence quality and build up your pronunciation, and also your shadowing method completed this way. Okay, so I'm already saying that these faster websites help your listening and shadowing. So we turn into our next website, which helps to improve your questionability and answering a new thing. So let's get started. Okay, the second website, ESL discussion. Just go to same way and click first website. This pictures has same to same first website, and you just click one anything, and you see that first of all it's like a student's question 10 question, and second 10 question. You just saw this, and if you know this answer you just answer and writing. But if you don't know this answer, you just copy it and go to ChatGTP. Just go to and paste it and say answering the question. It's a help to improve your question answering ability. That's why I am sharing this website. Okay, the third website is Cambridge Dictionary. I think everyone knows this website, and it's help to improve
Good.
your pronunciation. What
Good.
do you want, US or UK? You don't know any sentence, just research it, and they provide explaining like the opportunity of the harm they like this. Okay, so these three websites help to improve my English, and I'm a beginner. I'm just create this channel to improve my English. If you want, just subscribe my channel and like my video.